Hello everyone, welcome to Railway Goal. Today morning I have discussed physics topic test 1. Now I will going to discuss physics and chemistry topic test 2. Okay friends, without wasting time, let's go let's go to the questions. Before going to the question, I would like to tell you that if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you will get notification when I do new videos. Okay, let's go to the question. First question: the wall of the halls built for music concert should option A amplify sound, option B reflect sound, option C transmit sound, option D absorb sound. Answer will be option D absorb sound. Here the concept is music concert, or it may be what film theater. There what are the floors and chairs are made by, like they will use in the floor and chair they will use wood. Why? Because wood or cotton fiber they will use. Why? Because it absorbs noisy sound, unnecessary sound. It is a concept easier. That's why music concert walls should be what type? Absorb sound, like that. Let's go to the next question. Second question: consider the following statements. Option A: most of the metal oxides are insoluble in water. Option B: sodium oxide and potassium oxides are metal oxides and hence insoluble in water. The correct answer is option A, only 1 is true. Option B, only 2 is true. Option C, 1 and 2 is true. Option D, neither of 2 is true. Here the concept is most of the metal oxide. If you take a periodic table, it is like this periodic table. This is a S block element, this is a P block element, this is a D block element. Okay, and most of the metal, nothing but the metals are present in first group and second group, nothing but in S block as well as in D block, but the best metals are present in the S block. And most of the metal oxides are insoluble in water. Why? Because iron is not going to be insoluble in the water, not going to be dissolved in the water. Okay, only few metals are there, but those are in the S block, they are dissolved in water. For example, Ka, K potassium, Na, sodium. These are metals, they soluble in water when they react with what? Water. Like what? N2O, nitrogen sodium respective oxides. Sodium oxide react with the water, then we will going to get the what? NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Okay, if I take a what? K2O, potassium hydroxide, it is in a metal oxide. If it is react with water, the formation of the KOH is formed, compound is formed. Compound formed means it is dissolved, it means. Okay, this is the concept. Option A, let's go to the option A. Most of the metal oxides are insoluble in water. Definitely true, it is a true. Second, sodium oxide and potassium oxide are metal oxides and hence insoluble in water. This is exactly wrong. Why? Because sodium and potassium oxide, as now discussed, these are dissolved, insoluble. These are soluble in water, not insoluble. So option B is wrong. So the correct answer is Only option A. Go to the next question. Third question. For the television broadcasting, the frequency employed is normally. How much frequency for the television we are using? How much in India we are using? 30 to 300 megahertz. 300 megahertz. Okay. Go to the next question. Fourth question. Consider the following statements and the correct code. Assertion: chemical reaction become faster at higher temperature. Reason: at higher temperature, molecular motion becomes more rapid. Okay. The concept is here. What if I take one element and also another element having a molecules or atoms? When they are at high temperature, the vibration of the molecules are more. It means that there is a possibility of reaction like that. So when the temperature is increases, vibrations also increases, results in chemical reaction is fast. Okay, this is the concept here. Okay, next. And it means assertion a chemical reaction become faster at the higher temperature. Definitely right. Next question. Reason: at the high temperature, molecular motion becomes more rapid. As reason is also definitely right. Because of this reason, this assertion is happened, or assertion will going to happen. Okay. And then what is the answer? Answer is both A and B are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Fifth question. Match the following: electron, proton, neutron, and positron and their finders. The inventor, the discovered by. These are discovered by. Next, what is that? Electron. Electron discovered by J.J. Thomson. Proton by Goldstein. Don't confuse with the proton. The name Rutherford and Goldstein. Rutherford is the proton name is proposed, is not discovered. Okay, Goldstein is the right answer. We are following NCERT. Okay. Next, option C. Neutron by Chadwick. Positron by Anderson. Okay. The answer is option A is the right answer according to this answer. First is right answer. 2, A is 2, B is 1, and C is 3, 4 is 1. Positron is Anderson. Okay, next question. Go to the next question. Earliest thermometer was developed by option A Celsius, option B Kelvin, option C Galileo, option D Fahrenheit. The answer going to be, what is that answer? What is the right answer? Answer is C. Galileo is the right answer. Earliest thermometer. And what he has used in that? What heat carrier? Which heat carrier is used in the thermometer? Earliest thermometer by Galileo. Answer is air. But now we are using what? Mercury as a what? Heat carrier. Next question. Which instrument is used for record speed of vehicles? Record the speed of the vehicle. Which instrument? I think all the people know. I think it is what? Easiest question. Option A thermometer, option B barometer, option C speedometer, option D odometer. Don't confuse with the speedometer and odometer. Okay. For the 7th question, answer is C, speedometer. Generally we see in motorcycles like this. These are the what? Speed measuring, what this much kilometer per hour, like that. That is a speed, the speedometer. But we are also see another one is that that shows the what? How much distance is covered till now. Okay, that is measured by, distance is measured by odometer. The distance is measured by odometer, speed is measured by the speedometer. For the 7th question, answer is what? Speedometer is the right answer. Next question, 8th question, which of the following is are not correctly matched? Option A, absolute alcohol, 100% ethanol. Option B, power alcohol, 90 to 90% ethanol. Option C, rectified spirit, answer is 50% ethanol. Here concept is alcohol is formed. What is industrial method? It is a fermentation. It is formed by fermentation. What is the raw material used is molasses. Molasses is used as a raw material. Molasses used as a raw material. What is the meaning of the molasses? Molasses is nothing but equal to 50% of the sucrose. Sucrose chemical formula is C12H22O11. Okay, when it is react with water in the presence of yeast bacteria, what going to be formed? Ethanol going to be formed. Ethanol, it means alcohol is formed. Alcohol formed plus carbon dioxide released. Okay, so nothing, whatever the formation after the reaction, alcohol plus carbon dioxide, this is called how much alcohol present is here? Here present is 95% alcohol is present in this case. This is called rectified alcohol. We can call what? It is an what? Rectified. This is called rectified spirit or rectified alcohol, like this we call. By this concept, option C is wrong, because rectified spirit is 90% ethanol, but here given is 45% ethanol, so C option is wrong. Then go for the word power alcohol. Power alcohol means simply it consists of petrol plus ethanol, but petrol is 80%, ethanol is 20%, but here given is this is called power alcohol, but here is given is power alcohol consists of 90 to 95% ethanol, so this is wrong. Third and second option is wrong. The first, absolute alcohol is 100% ethanol. If what without carbon dioxide, if what only alcohol is produced, only alcohol after the reaction only alcohol is produced, means nothing but 100% ethanol is there, means there is an absolute alcohol. Perfectly right. But what is the question asked? Which of the following is or not correctly matched? So answer D is the right answer. B and C is the right answer. Okay, thank you.